Hello students, so we'll continue with next question. Question number 13. Solve each of the following system of equation graphically and find the vertices and area of the triangle formed by the lines and the x-axis. So we have three questions from here. I have done question number 2. After watching the video, I request all of you to try the remaining question, that is question number 1 and 2. So first of all, you have to understand how we will be solving this. Same way like we did question number 10, 11 by doing substitution method. We will find the value of x, putting x, and you will get y, putting y, you will get x. So I have done question number 2. Come, we will see how it is. So the question is, okay, see question number 2, that is 4x minus 3y plus 4 equals 0, 4x plus 3y minus 20 equals 0. The same question writing down here. Now solution taking, first one is equation 1, second is equation 2. Now you see this is the constant number. I have changed the side and the plus become minus, minus become plus. So from equation 1 I have taken this part and that is called equation 1. So what I have done, same thing repeated here. Now since I want to find out the value of x, I am taking y to the other side. Minus 4 on the same side, taking y to the other, minus become plus. So minus 4 plus 3y, this minus 3y is coming to the other side, it become plus 3y. Therefore we just put the variable that is x, and taking the coefficient of x, it become divisor. So what is this? Minus 4 plus 3y divided by 4. This will take as equation 3. Mark as equation 3. Now we will try to find 3 value of x and 3 value of y. So like we did last time, whatever value you take for y, remember after multiplying with 3, after adding with 4, whatever we get the result should always be divisible by 4. If we are not able to divide the result by 4, then in that case you have to change the value of y. We cannot put in fraction. So here I have taken putting y equals 0 in equation 3. That means here replacing y with 0. So how much you are getting? See, we are getting 3 into 0 will be 0, minus 4 plus 0, that is minus 4. Minus 4 divided by 4 will be 4 into 1, 4 into 1, we will get minus 1. So what value of x we are getting? X we are getting minus 1 when we took y equal 0. So every time at the end when you get the value of x, always remember to write in the bracket. So second part. Now what I have taken, again putting y equal 4 in equation 3, that is here we will take 4. So what? 3 into y, that means 3 into 4, so we will be getting 12. So minus into plus, minus 12 minus 4, 8. Since 12 is greater, so what will be the sign? Plus. 8 divided by 4 will be 2. So what value of x we are getting? We are getting x when I took y equal 4. So at the end remember to write. So you can try with other numbers, but remember when it is not divisible, suppose if you get 5 by 4, 9 by 4, 13 by 4, these numbers are not divisible. In that case you have to change the value for y. You have to check and then continue. So three values we need. 2 we finish, first one, second one, and lastly putting y equal minus 4 in equation 3. What was our equation 3? This. So in place of y now I will put with minus 4. So see, 3 into minus 4 divided by 4. So 3 into 4 will be 12. Okay, check again. 3 into 4 will be 12 plus into minus, minus. So we are getting minus 4 and minus 12 divided by 4, minus, minus, plus. 4 plus 12, 16. Both are minus, sign will be minus. Dividing this, we are getting 4. Since minus is there, minus sign will come. So we get the value of x equal minus 4 when we took y equal minus 4. So remember, from first equation we finish 3 value for each. So after completing, you make one table where we write x, y, and you put all the value of x, similarly all the value of y. With this we complete equation 1. Now coming to from equation 2. From equation 2, that means the question part only. The question was this. So equation 2 will be this. But we have changed the side for 20. 20 has already moved to the other side, that it has become plus. You can see here. See. Now since we took x for equation 1, for equation 2 also you have to take x on the left side. So y will come to the right, plus become minus. Now variable here and the number, the coefficient become divisor. So what we are getting ultimately, 20 minus 3y divided by 4, this will represent as equation 4. So now we will take 3 value of y and we will get 3 value of x. So I have taken putting y equals 0 in equation 4. So in place of y 0, it becomes 0. So 20 by 4 will be 5. We are getting x equal 5 and I took y equal 0. Next again putting y equal 4 in equation 4. What was the equation for this? In place of y, now we will be taking 4. So this become minus 12. 20 minus 12 will be 8. Dividing this we will get 2. So we are getting x equal 2 when we took y equal 4. Lastly, putting y equal minus 4 in equation 4. What was the equation? The equation is 20 minus 3y by 4. So we get 20 minus 3 into minus 4 minus minus plus. 20 plus 12 is 32. 32 divided by 4 is 8. So what we are getting, value of x equal 8 when I took y equal minus 4. So with this we got 3 value of x and y, 1, 2, 3. That is for equation 2. So after getting, we make table 2. We write x all the values and y all the values. So I'll just show you once again, check properly. So we took equation 1, equation 2. From equation 1, taking value of x, marking as equation 3, and taking one by one value of y, here value of y, then again value of y. 3 times. Always remember during exam also you need 3 values. Then we got equation 2. Similarly here also we get one equation, value of x, that is this. Then we took y one value, another value, and then lastly with this we get 3 values. 3 value of x, 3 value of y. With this we got table 2. Now after this, with the help of table 1 and table 2, we will be doing our graph. So here is our graph. You can see this is x and x dash, y and y dash. On the left we have all the negative integer, on the right all the positive, upward all the positive, and downward all the negative. This is minus y, this will plus y, minus x and plus x, and in the middle we have 0. Please watch carefully. So our first table, what we have minus 1 and 0. So where we have minus 1, we have minus 1 and y is 0, that means on the x-axis. So this will be minus 1, 0. We got 1 point, make a dot and small circle. Secondly, we have 2 and 4. Both are positive, so it will be 2x and y is 4 here. So you make a small dot and small circle, 2 and 4. Lastly, we have minus 4 and minus 4. So we have x minus 4 here and y minus 4, that means we have to come downward. Give a small dot and make a circle, minus 4, minus 4. So we are getting first, second, and then third. What you will do, you will take a ruler and try to join the small dots with the help of sharp pencil, extend extra, just extend the line to make an arrow, because this is a line, not line segment. It will keep on going. So make an arrow, put the value here, put the value, and write first equation here. With this we finish table number 1. Now table 2, we have x5 y0. So we have x5 y0. Again, when the y is 0, it will be on the x-axis. So I wrote 5 and 0. Moving to the next value, 2 and 4. So we have 2 here, and again 4 will be same like what we get last time. Since the values are same, the dot also it will be on the same place. But you repeat the value, that is 2 and 4. Lastly, we have 8 and minus 4. So 8 plus 8 and minus 4, that means downward. So see, minus 4. Give a small dot and then circle it. Now how many value we are getting here? First, second and third. Now again, with the help of sharp pencil, you have to join the dots a straight way. Make a arrow, because the line are continuing. It's not a line segment, it will keep on going. And then you put the equation 2 value. This is equation 2, this is equation 1. With the help of these 3 value, and again these 3 value, 2 equation we got, we are getting the we are completing the graph. Now but read the question carefully. Like previously, whatever question we did, just to plot the graph and then that is done. But here the question is little different. We'll check the question again. Please come. Please see the question. Now see, solve each of the following system of equations graphically. Okay, this we done. We finished to solve. Now what they are saying, find the vertices. Find the vertices. Now check this part. Wait. Okay, see again. The question is find the vertices. Remember, we will do this first part, find the vertices. Now what is mean by vertices? Okay, now at the same time I will show you. This is what we got in graph, and now I will show you. Now see how we make. If we make a triangle, it will be something like this. Okay, let's say we have some value A, B and C, and how we do, we put the angle, we mark the angle. This is called triangle. So here if I ask you what are the vertices, it will be A, B and C, or in other word we can say what are the angle, it will be angle A, angle B, angle C. Vertices and angle are the same thing. Now coming to the graph, if you see this figure, it takes the shape of a triangle. It takes the shape of a triangle. So see, this is one point, that is one vertex, this another, and this the third one. So what we are getting, we are always remember in a triangle, of course there are 3 angle and 3 sides, so we will get 3 vertices. So you can just name it. I have given A, B and C. So 3 vertices. Now you see what we have written. Hence the required vertices are A. So you have to put the value. What was the value? -1 and 0. B, what is the value? 5 and 0. And C will be 2 and 4. So we are getting the 3 vertices, and those are these. Again, coming to the question, now what is the other part of the question? The question is and area of the triangle formed by the lines and the x-axis. Okay. Now area of the triangle formed by the lines. Lines, they mean this. We have 2 lines and x-axis, this. I repeat the question with the diagram. Try to understand. The question is find the area. Find the area of the triangle formed by the lines, 2 lines, by the lines and the x-axis. That means directly they are saying that this is the triangle you got. This is the triangle you got. Now find the area of the triangle. So area of triangle formula is half into height into base, or you can write h into b. Now height. Height means height of the triangle. How tall the triangle is. This is the height and this is the base. Now if we check the height, this is the height. So how much is the height here? You come, see, coming directly corresponding to the line. Till here we got the point, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. What we are getting? Height is 4. So we wrote in place of height, that is 4. Now base. How much is your base? Now you start counting, because the lines are cutting the x-axis here and once here. So you have to count from here till this end. So if you take, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or it will be from here till here 1, from here till here 2, from here till here 3, from here till here 4, 5, 6. How much we are getting? Total 6. Or you can also check that this is what? 5. Here, this side you have 5 and this side you have 1. So all together come to 6. It's simple, because when you do the other question, you should know how to do. When you check the height, it's going directly. When you check the base, remember how many boxes you are having. You can check that also. How many boxes we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So base come to 6. So we are having 1 by 2, that is half into height, 4 into 6. 2 into 2, or 2 divided by 4 divided by 2, we are getting 2, cancelling this. So lastly we get 2 into 6, 12. Always remember, because this is the area of the triangle, always remember to write square units. So the thing which they ask in the question is solve the equation graphically. After solving with pen and paper, after getting table 1 and table 2, you have done always to plot the graph. After plotting the graph, you have to find the vertices. When you do, you will get, of course, it will come the shape of a triangle. And they say x-axis, that means here. When they will say y-axis, you will get the triangle like this. The triangle will be like this, crossing the y. But in this question, x-axis, that's why we are getting something like this. So when it is a x-axis, you get the base here. When the question will be y-axis, the base will be here. So we got the vertices, we got the area. Always remember how to find the area. So please watch the video carefully, solve it, practice it 2-3 times. Any problem, just let me know, and please try the remaining question. Thank you.